Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Claude in VS Code in 2026. Now, in order to do it, first of all, you just have to download and install the VS Code application on your computer. Now, when you have installed it, you just have to simply open it, and the interface of VS Code application is going to look something like this. Now, by default, you will be on the home page, but you just have to simply hover over to the left hand side and click on the option of extensions. Now, when you click on the option of extensions, you just have to simply use this particular search bar, and here you need to search for Claude. Now, as you can see with the Claude name, you are going to see bunch of different applications over here, but you just have to select this one, which is official from Anthropic. Now, after selecting the application or this extension, simply click on the option of install. Then you just have to click on the option of trust publisher and install. Now wait for some time until it is installing on your VS Code. Now in the meantime, you just have to open your web browser. Over here in the search bar, you need to simply search for Claude.ai. So here you just have to create your account if you haven't already. So when you create your account, you will know all of your email addresses and passwords. So when you have it, you just have to simply tap on the option of enable it, and afterwards you just have to log in into your Claude account by using all those login credentials, and this way you will be able to easily use Claude in your VS Code. So if this video helped you understand this, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thank you.